Hello students, welcome back in moral science class. We are doing unit 6, my school, second home. Today we will do the story of this chapter. The title of the story is Surdas and his teacher. Surdas was intelligent and thirsty for knowledge, but he was short-tempered. He got angry even for silly things, if even affected his studies. Therefore, the teacher decided to make Surdas free from anger. Yes, there was one child. The name of the child was Surdas, and he was thirsty for knowledge, means he was eager to gain knowledge. But he was short tempered. Short tempered means he is getting angry very soon, even on the silly things. And the anger only affected his studies. So therefore the teacher he want to remove the anger from his life. The teacher asked Surdas to chant God's name while doing all his activities for 1 month and then meet him. Surdas followed the teacher's instructions, and after 1 month he went to meet his teacher. And the teacher, what he decided, he said the Surdas to chant God's name while doing his activities. Whatever activity he will do, you just chant the name of God. And after 1 month, meet him. And Surdas followed teacher's instructions and he went to meet his teacher. On his way to the teacher's house, a sweeper on the street carelessly put dirt on his clothes. Surdas got angry and scolded the sweeper. He went home, changed clothes, and then met his teacher. Yes, when he was going to meet his teacher, and on the way he met a sweeper. And by mistake, the sweeper put the dirt on his clothes, and Surdas got angry and scolded him. And he again went back, changed his clothes, and then he met his teacher. The teacher told Surdas that he was not yet ready to learn. He had to chant God's name for another month. Surdas returned sadly, and continued to chant God's name for another month. And then the teacher, he told Surdas, still you are not ready to learn. You have to chant God's name for the next month also. So Surdas returned sadly and he again continued God's name for another month. After a month, he went to his teacher's house and the same thing happened again. Surdas again became really angry and blamed the sweeper. After bathing, he met his teacher. He asked Surdas to chant God's name for one more month. So again the thing happened same. Then again the teacher told the Surdas to still your time did not came. You go again and chant God's name for another 1 month. Then, after 1 month, Surdas went to meet his teacher. The same incident happened for a third time. However, he did not get angry. He thanked the sweeper for helping him to overcome anger. This time, the teacher accepted him as a disciple. Yes, now again the same thing happened. The same incident happened third time, but he did not get angry. Even he thanked the sweeper for helping him to overcome anger. So in this way the teacher accepted him as a disciple. Yes, children, a teacher knows what a student is lacking of and knows the ways to teach him. As students, we must have faith in the teacher and follow his or her instructions. Means if we know where the teacher wants to teach you, how he or she want to teach you, so you must have faith on your teacher. This is activity time. Take out the question answers. First question is, what is your second home? Answer, school. Who play the role of parents in the second home? Teachers. What is the speciality of September 5? Yes, 5 September is observed as Teachers' Day. Next, true false. Teachers give us knowledge. True. We should respect the teachers. True. September 10 is Teachers' Day. No. Filling the blanks. The dash is our second home. School. Dash was intelligent and thirsty for knowledge. Surdas. We should follow the instructions of a teacher. Next is my school project sheet. This students you will do as a project as a homework. Fine children, now go through your chapter and revise it. We will meet in the next video. By that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.